Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to link up EasyWorship to vMix. So if you don't have these softwares installed on your desktop, I'm going to be dropping a link in the description on how you can get them installed. And if you have them installed, let's get into this video. So first things first, you have to firstly open your EasyWorship software. So when you open your EasyWorship software, then you go to the live option. You go to the edit option, then options. So once you click on the option, then you change the output monitor to NDI stream. It might be monitor 1 or custom position on your end, but you just have to change it to NDI stream. So once you've changed it to NDI stream, then click on OK. So you just have to minimize this and then open your vMix software. So in vMix software, you just have to add input. Then when you click on add input, then you go to NDI stroke desktop capture. So you're going to see the EasyWorship live. So you just have to click on it, and now your EasyWorship is connected to your vMix. So if you try going to EasyWorship and change it to the scripture, you should notice it's going to be changed. So this is just how you can easily do this, guys. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.